In the ever-evolving landscape of modern military technology, the demand for compact, intelligent, and stealthy surveillance tools has never been greater. Among the innovations that have revolutionized tactical reconnaissance and battlefield awareness, the Black Hornet Nano Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, or UAV, stands out as a marvel of engineering. Despite its minuscule size, roughly that of a small bird, this drone has redefined how ground forces perceive, analyze, and respond to threats in real time. Recently, under the direction of U.S. Northern Command, U.S. soldiers have deployed in support of Joint Task Force Southern Border. Their mission is to ensure the security and territorial integrity of the United States through unified efforts with U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP. U.S. soldiers have been utilizing multiple advanced military assets such as Stryker armed vehicles, long-range advanced scout surveillance systems, or LRAS-3, and Black Hornet drones to support detection and monitoring operations at the southern border. The Black Hornet 4 PRS-G3 is a micro-drone that can be controlled manually or automatically through Global Positioning System, or GPS technology, offering real-time surveillance with high-resolution cameras. It enables U.S. soldiers to monitor terrain and detect threats without exposing their position. The drone has a GPS that pings locations of the illegal aliens using an 8-digit grid, said U.S. Army Specialist James Greer, assigned to 1st Battalion, 41st Infantry Regiment, without them even knowing that they're being watched. What distinguishes the Black Hornet from other unmanned aerial vehicles is its unique small size. It weighs approximately 16 grams and is about 10 inches in length. Recently, the Black Hornet drone proved its value when soldiers detected 3 individuals carrying rifles along the Mexican side of the southern border near the Texas National Defense Area. Greer explained that after the CBP mobile video surveillance system made the initial detection, the drone was immediately flown to assess the individual's specific location and identity if they posed a threat. "We didn't know what they were up to," said Greer. "It was safer to send down a drone than to send troops and potentially have their lives in danger." Ultimately, Greer reported to CBP that the individuals made no advancements and no further action was required. The Black Hornet drones are a unique military capability that's been shown to improve safety and efficiency while supporting CBP. The Black Hornet 4 is the next generation in covert UAV capabilities, providing situational awareness swiftly and enhancing effectiveness while minimizing cognitive strain on soldiers. The drone incorporates a high-resolution thermal imager and an electro-optical camera with exceptional low-light capabilities. Operators also benefit from an extended range and heightened resilience. New obstacle avoidance capabilities and an advanced battery have augmented flight performance. The Black Hornet 4 redefines reconnaissance capabilities, empowering soldiers with critical insights for mission success. With a total system weight of 1.3 kilograms and small enough for a dismounted soldier to carry on a utility belt, the Black Hornet PRS deploys easily, requiring minimal training. MIL STD 810.H compliant, the Black Hornet 4 PRS-G3 is wind tolerant up to 25 knots or 13 meters per second and multi-mission capable, with ground speeds of up to 10 meters per second. With the ever-evolving battlefield, soldiers confront a multifaceted operational landscape, pitting them against adversaries spanning near peers, hybrid threats, and even beyond line of sight or LOS challenges. The Black Hornet 4 UAV swiftly provides situational awareness and enhances effectiveness while minimizing cognitive strain on soldiers. A substantial advancement over its predecessor, the Black Hornet 4 incorporates a high-resolution thermal imager, an electro-optical camera with exceptional low-light capabilities, and a software-defined radio data link, boasting extended range and heightened resilience. Enhanced flight performance comes from an upgraded rotor system and an advanced battery. The Black Hornet 4 platform lays the groundwork for artificial intelligence, or AI, fostering greater autonomy and alleviating cognitive burdens, aligning perfectly with the present and future requirements of soldiers in the field. The Black Hornet 4 redefines reconnaissance capabilities, empowering soldiers with critical insights for mission success. Origins and development. The Black Hornet drone was developed by the Norwegian company Prox Dynamics, which was later acquired by FLIR Systems in 2016. Initially introduced in the early 2010s, the drone was designed to meet the requirements of soldiers operating in urban and complex terrains where line-of-sight reconnaissance is limited. Its mission was clear: to provide dismounted troops with immediate situational awareness while minimizing risk. Prox Dynamics envisioned a Nano drone that could be hand-launched, rapidly deployed, and discreetly operated to provide live video feeds and still images. The result was the PD-100 Black Hornet, a lightweight, camera-equipped micro-UAV that weighs just over 30 grams. It's about an ounce, including its batteries. The Black Hornet's value lies in its ability to enhance battlefield awareness without exposing troops to unnecessary risk. Traditionally, gathering information on enemy positions, roadways, or urban interiors required physically scouting the area, which exposed soldiers to ambushes or sniper fire. With the Black Hornet, troops can safely peer around corners, scan rooftops, or search buildings before making a move. In environments like Afghanistan and Iraq, where insurgents often operate in dense urban settings, the drone proved to be a game-changer. It allowed coalition forces to inspect alleys, compound interiors, and suspicious vehicles without setting foot in harm's way. Furthermore, the drone reduces reliance on larger surveillance platforms such as helicopters or satellite imaging, which are slower to deploy, more costly, and more visible to the enemy. The immediacy and low profile of the Black Hornet make it uniquely suited for fast-paced tactical scenarios. Several countries have adopted the Black Hornet for military use, including the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Australia, and Norway. The British Army was among the first major users, deploying the drone in Afghanistan as early as 2013. As military operations become increasingly dependent on information dominance and real-time situational awareness, the role of nano UAVs, such as the Black Hornet, is likely to grow. Future iterations may include AI-enhanced target recognition, swarm capabilities, and integration with other battlefield systems, such as augmented reality displays and soldier helmets.